And then yeah, there were just a lot of politics with like civic sheet and stuff, and then there are a lot of factors available when it comes to Inter Bafana Bafana. And I just want to say to all those Kosi fans about who are not happy with like either we not perform outside because like our players are not part of into squad available, you should feel ashamed because it is all about South Africa. Well, it is not about clubs and stuff. And even though they be Paris fans, for example, right now I posted, I was like, well, that's over. One of if the Pirates engizohlala phezu kwengqondo ingqondo already thing yabo. The judge is telling me ukuthi nah, it was Pagani and stuff. Always I hear vela my players saying, "Oh, you developed some of them they are currently playing very for Pagani about the likes of Apolisi quality." So yeah, they were just making. I understand they kind of be making a lot of noise and stuff, but I think it should be just like the conflicts layer of it is the way a corner between pirates and the Kaizer Chiefs layer conflicts layer the argument layer. But I don't think it's like we should be jealous. Well, we should be waiting. We should be waiting for it to unfold. Well, Bafana, but it's just stupid. The boys can still have a chance and stuff to play like in future, but also it is just benefiting us